Good day and welcome. Here in this cubic function lesson, we're using remainder theorem to solve unknowns, right? So given to us, if f of x equal x squared cubed minus 12x squared plus bx divided by x minus 1 till the remainder left is 25, calculate the value of b. So that's what's given to us, x cubed minus 12x squared plus bx. Right, we're dividing by x minus 1, so if I solve that, I'm substituting f1. Right, so if I put in f1, I have 1 cubed minus 12 times 1 squared plus b times 1. All of this equal 25, because the remainder is 25. So if I simplify 25 equal 1, minus 12 plus b, minus 12 plus 1, if I take it over, comes minus 1 plus 12. So there 12 plus 25 gives me 37 minus 1. So p equal 36. So in short, still substituted 1 because x minus 1, if I take 1 across, becomes positive 1. And they said the remainder is 25. So my equation there, f1 became 25 when I solved for b. Alright, let's look at the simultaneous question. We don't really ask this no more in exam, but at the end of the day, you still need to understand and know it. If f of x is equal ax cubed plus bx squared minus 4x plus 6, when it's divided by x minus 1, the remainder is 1. When we divide it by x minus 2, the remainder is 2. So we have two unknowns. Find the value of a and b. Two unknowns we have to solve simultaneously. So for x minus 1, I'm substituting 1. Negative 1 become positive 1. So it becomes a 1 cubed plus b 1 squared minus 4 times 1 plus 6. And there x minus 2, x equal 2. So f2, a2 cubed plus b2 squared minus 4 squared plus 6. Remainder is 1 if I substitute 1 in there. So that becomes 1 equal a plus b minus 4 plus 6. There, remainder is 2 when I substitute 2 in. So therefore 2 equal, 2 cubed is 8a, 2 squared is 4b, minus 8 plus 6. If I simplify a plus b, 6 minus 4 would give me 2. If I take 2 across, minus 2 plus 1 becomes minus 1. So a plus b equal minus 1. If I make a the subject of the formula, I take b across, minus b minus 1. It's my equation 1. Solve the second one here. Minus 8 plus 6 would give me positive 2. Or now I'm lying negative 2. If I take negative 2 over, comes positive 2. 2 plus 2 gives me 4. 4 equal 8a plus 4b. If I divide by 4, 4 divided by 4, 1. 8a divided by 4 gives me 2a. And 4b divided by 4 gives me b. Right, that's my equation 2. So substitute equation 1 into 2. Place of a, I'm placing minus b minus 1. Right, plus b. So now I can solve for b. I only have one unknown. 2 times negative b, negative 2 plus b. If I take negative 2 across, 2 plus 1 would give me 3. Minus 2b plus b would give me negative b. Divide by the negative. b equal negative 3. Place back into equation 1, so negative 3 minus 1 gives me 3 minus 1, therefore a equal to 2. Please like, share and subscribe. I hope you understand. Wish you nothing but the best. Bye.